In today's mock session, I'm going over eating disorder, the fear of weight gain, and the loss of control. In today's mock session, I am the dietitian, playing the role of the dietitian, and I will be counseling Lily. She's 21. She's an outpatient recovery for anorexia. She's weight restored, but she's struggling with fear of gaining fat and eating more freely. She feels judged by family, unsure how to maintain progress without rigid rules. Now, the goal here is to support body trust and reinforce recovery nutrition, and then shift from compliance to internal confidence using motivational interviewing strategies. So let's get started. Lily, I'm really glad that you came in today. Recovery isn't just physical. How are you feeling about food lately? I don't know. Part of me wants to keep getting better, but another part is terrified. I'm eating more, but I hate how I feel in my body. That conflict is so common, and it makes sense. You've worked hard to restore your body, and now your brain is catching up. What's been the hardest part recently? Snacks. I follow the meal plan, but when I have to add snacks, I freak out. I just feel like it's too much. Got it. And when that fear shows up, what thoughts go through your mind? That I'm going to gain too much? People will notice? I won't stop? Those are powerful fears. And also, you've already proven that you can eat more and still be safe. What helped you stay consistent through meal support? I trusted the structure, and having a plan helped me feel like I wasn't spiraling. That makes sense. What if we created a flexible snack guide, something with 3 to 4 options you could rotate, so it still felt structured, but less overwhelming? I think that could help, but I get decision fatigue too. Totally fair. Choosing nourishment is not giving in. It's fighting for your life. Every snack is a vote for freedom. That actually makes me tear up. I want to believe that. You don't have to believe it 100%, but let's practice acting like it's true and see what happens. If you want more sessions, if you want more scenarios like today's session, we also support clients with other situations that you might encounter, like resistant clients, intuitive eating, signs of disordered eating, and many more inside of the library, even if you're new to private practice. So inside of the library, my month-to-month membership, you'll get eating disorder counseling simulations along with other disease states, and you'll get client-centered scripts and a certification training to help you lead sessions with empathy, structure, and confidence. So I look forward to seeing you inside of our membership.